Hi, and welcome back to Hill and Ponton Social Security Disability Blog. I'm Natalia, Jofre, the Social Security Section Director.
And I'm Shelly Mark, the Senior Social Security Attorney.
So we're talking about children's claims, and in the last blog, we talked a little bit about the minimum requirements in order to qualify for children's benefits.
Right.
And you had mentioned that there's a 12-month requirement, which basically means you have to be disabled or expect for the child to be disabled for approximately 12 months or more. Not
Right.
approximately, for 12 months or more.
Right.
Hence begs the question, what if? What if it's not going to be 12 months? What if you don't know?
Yeah. Our rule of thumb when we're talking to clients is always that if they have a child that they feel like has a documented disability and they feel as though it will last for 12 months or it's likely to, just to go ahead and file. If something happens and it doesn't last 12 months, that's a great thing. That means the child is doing better. And you can always withdraw your request at that point if you don't feel like they're going to be eligible then.
It's one of those situations where it's kind of like no harm, no foul.
Yeah.
If you file an application and then it turns out that the child is better, you don't really lose anything. And sometimes you don't even have to withdraw the application. I mean, you can if it's still pending, but if you get denied and you simply don't appeal that decision, then the claim basically dies on its own.
That's very true.
Right?
Yeah.
And the same thing, I mean, hopefully by the time you get to a hearing, you're going to know it's
been
already going to be a
Right.
year anyway.
Very, very true. And one thing that we see a lot is medical providers may give a statement, even though, maybe the child's only been diagnosed for 3 months. You may have a doctor that'll give a statement saying that it's their opinion that the condition will last 12 months or more.
Mm-hmm.
That's always a good way to establish that for the child's file.
I had that happen on a case where the child unfortunately had cancer. And so they knew it was foreseeable that with the diagnosis, even though it was an optimistic prognosis, they knew by the time the child went through radiation, chemotherapy, and everything else, clearly it would be a year or more. And the doctor put that in writing, and the child was actually approved at the initial level.
Right.
All right. Well, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to visit our website or call our office.
Thank you.